Prepare the oil paste. Take out the yellow one first. Put the pen like this. Index finger, middle finger, finger to the tip of the pen and thumb. You see I drew a big one first. What fruit can be drawn? You see the color is not dark enough. I'm gonna put the color. Turn the paper upside down. Draw me an uppercase C. Draw me shape S. I'm using orange and yellow, the two colors, directly superimposed on top of each other. Yeah, don't draw with crayons. Crayons can't stack color, but use pastel oil that can accumulate color. Place us on the edge. Add me this red. I can stack green on yellow. Two strokes can draw a mango.